Hi guys! Pandemic will not stop us from celebrating Christmas. Let's get into the Christmas spirit. Let's eat, drink, and be merry with these festive Christmas dinner ideas on a budget. Welcome back to Sarah's Kitchen. I'll be sharing affordable and delicious meal, spicy and saucy baked chicken wings, and festive potato salad. Let's start cooking our spicy and saucy baked chicken wings. Here are the ingredients that we are going to use. Make a slit across the chicken wings so the marinade can seep in. Season it with salt, ginger powder, and garlic powder. Massage the spice rub into the chicken. Set aside. Let's make spicy barbecue sauce. Chili sauce and wine are optional, especially if you have kids, or you can just make two separate marinades, one without chili and wine. Napasobra po yung measurement ko sa wine kaya hindi ko po siya inilagay lahat. Stir well in order to dissolve all the ingredients. After stirring well, pour half of the spicy barbecue sauce into a small bowl. We'll use this later to brush additional sauce on baked chicken and dippings for those who loves extra sauce. The remaining half will be used to marinate the chicken. Then set aside. Let's make our honey mustard sauce. I used mustard powder to give it a sharper taste. Pwede din naman po yung prepared mustard na lang yung ating gamitin kahit wala na nung mustard powder. Haluin lang po natin ulit para ma-dissolve lahat ng ingredients. After stirring, pour half of the honey mustard sauce into a small bowl. Let's marinate the chicken wings. Put half of the chicken wings in a resealable plastic bag. Pour in half of the spicy barbecue marinade. Press the air out of the bag and seal tightly. Massage the chicken to coat in the marinade. Place in the fridge at least 1 hour to overnight. Mas maganda po kung overnight para ma-absorb lahat ng chicken yung marinade. Repeat the procedure with the honey mustard sauce. Ganon din po ang gagawin natin. Yung kalahati ng chicken, ilagay natin ulit sa resealable bag. I-pour natin yung honey mustard sauce. Seal tightly. And massage the chicken to coat in the marinade. Put in the fridge and marinate overnight para mas malasa po yung ating chicken. Meanwhile, let's prepare our festive potato salad. In a large mixing bowl, put our boiled diced potatoes. I boiled it for 6 minutes. Add boiled diced carrots. I boiled it for 3 minutes. Add 1.5 tablespoons of white vinegar. Mix white vinegar with the diced potatoes and carrots and let it stand for a few minutes. Let's prepare our salad dressing. Combine mayonnaise, with pickled relish, minced celery, minced red onion, mustard powder, pepper, sugar, and salt. Fold mayo with all the ingredients. Add hard-boiled eggs. I boiled it for 12 minutes. Gently fold the mayo mixture with the egg. Let's now combine our mayo mixture with our diced potatoes and carrots. Gently fold our mayo mixture into potatoes and carrots. After tossing all the ingredients, let's refrigerate our festive potato salad. Meanwhile, let's bring out the overnight marinated chicken wings from the fridge. Arrange the chicken wings on the oven's grill. Preheat oven to 190 degrees Celsius and bake our chicken wings for 45 to 50 minutes. Pwede pa natin i-bake for few more minutes, depende po dun sa size ng ating chicken. After 50 minutes of baking, it's now deliciously done. Brush our baked chicken with the reserved sauce. Keep the remaining sauce for our dippings. Naku, sarap po nun. It's now ready to serve. Let's bring out our festive potato salad from the fridge. Arrange lettuce and red cabbage on the serving plate. Put some scoops of festive potato salad on top of the veggies. Garnish with pre-cooked green peas. If you have some remaining hard-boiled eggs, add this as your garnish. And sprinkle it with grated Parmesan cheese. And it's ready to serve. Here's our easy-to-make and low-cost Christmas dish, spicy and saucy baked chicken wings and festive potato salad. Tikman po natin. Naku, ang sarap po talaga. Ang lasa-lasa niya hanggang buto at ang lambot-lambot pa niya. Kaya kung nagustuhan ninyo ang recipe na i-share ko sa inyo, subscribe na, like, and share. Thank you for watching. Merry Christmas, everybody! Merry Christmas! Stay safe, everyone!